Pauwi na ako guys, galing trabaho. Pero tumawag yung anak ko. Nagre-request siya ng i-take out daw siya ng chicken burger sa McDonald's. Chicken burger saka apple pie. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa McDonald's para mag-take out ng chicken burger and apple pie. Ayan o, McDonald's drive-thru dito sa Enoch gasoline station. Okay, this is McDonald's drive-thru. Order tayo.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi. The 13 dirham meal, the chicken burger.
Okay, drinks please.
Drinks, cola.
Cola. Okay.
And then you also have apple pie, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2 apple pies.
Sir, we need to cook apple pie. Okay, it will take time 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, fine.
It's okay. I can wait near the. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, I'll
Do you
proceed
have
now.
application right?
Next time.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Card payment or cash, sir?
Yeah, card payment.
You will take a meal chicken burger, right?
Yeah.
Cola.
Yeah. So there's waiting time for the apple pie. It's okay.
26 dirham. You will get hot and face extra. It's very hot.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I'll give it together, okay? The apple pie. Yeah.
I'll park there.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, yung apple pie around 7 minutes pa daw. So, meron naman ditong parking na pwede akong mag-antay sa tapat ng McDonald's. Ayan o, reserve drive-thru. Buti na lang bakante. So, dito natin atayin si ate para ibigay sa atin yung order ko na yung 13 dirham na meal, chicken burger meal. Ano siya, chicken burger plus fries plus cola, saka yung 2 pirasong apple pie. So overall almost 50 dirhams. Yung sa harap ko nga pala is yung Enoch gasoline station. Dito ako nagpapagasolina lagi. At saka marami na akong video na nagpapakarwas ako. Dito sa left side makikita nyo yung ProWash Auto Wash. Yung 25 dirhams automatic wash. Pagkatapos ng automatic wash, manual cleaning. Habang nag-aantay tayo sa order, kwento ko lang sa inyo guys, nung dumating kami dito sa Dubai way back 2007, wala pang 1 dirham yung gasolina. Ngayon, ano na, ang 1 litro more than 3 dirhams. So kung sa Philippine peso aabot ng mga more than 50 pesos per liter. Mahal na rin. Thank you. Ayan, inurasan ko. Sabi nila 7 minutes, pero inabot ng 12 minutes. Pero okay lang. Ito yung pasalubong ko sa anak ko. Itong McDonald's, malapit lang sa bahay. So, let's go home. Ito na yung McDonald's. So here's the burger with fries. Ito yung apple pie.
Thank you.
This is the apple pie. Tig-isa kayo ni Tix. Bigay mo kay Tix yung isa.